Hello and welcome to Super Trades once again. Today we'll be looking at Ashok Leyland. So it has given a very nice and a clean breakout. If we look at the stock, it has been going through an expanding channel. If we can draw the channel from this point onwards and here. So it has broken out of the channel, but previously also it has broken out of the channel, but it could not sustain, so it went out where it went back into the channel. But now it has closed above the channel with a great amount of volume, as we can see. Where the breakout happened over here, the volume was not too great, but here with the breakout we can see first the volume dried up and then big buying volume has been seen over here. Moreover, if we look it from another perspective, it was consolidating inside a range from little more than around 200 days or so. We can measure the days here. Let's see. Sorry, it went into this particular range and it has been in this particular range for almost 217 days, and now it has given a clean breakout. Now what we can do with this particular stock right away, I won't suggest taking a trade into it. So what would we expect is that it could be a possibility it may come or it may take a pullback from here. So it has given a breakout, it may take a pullback and then resume its momentum. This is the first thing it can happen. Secondly, what it could happen, I mean that's what happens 80% of the time. All right, that's what happens 80% of the time. What if it doesn't take a pullback? So for aggressive buyers, you can still, if they want to take a little higher risk, then they can enter tomorrow if the market is positive and it shows a positive momentum, or it takes a little pullback here. But the ideal entry will be around a pullback at the low of this candle. Now, as in my group, I had mentioned I had taken this particular trade in this zone around somewhere. So those who had taken during that time, they would be have been sitting already on around 20% of profit or so. So they can book their profit if they want, or they can continue, or they can book half of their profit and continue to hold it. So if we want to find out a target for this trade, target, if we take a lower threshold to the previous high. So the first target would be around 213 and the second target would be at around 227. It's a decent stock, and moreover we can see that on a daily time frame it has taken a bounce up from the 200-day moving average. As far as earnings projections are concerned, so annual earnings by various analysts has projected to be increasing year on year, and also the revenue would be increasing. So that's not a problem for this particular stock. And if we look at the futures OI, we can see that here there was long build up and then there has been a short covering. So rising price and rising future OI always indicate a bullish momentum towards any particular stock. I hope this helps. We'll see you again in the next video. And those who want to know more about the stocks that I buy for swing trade or investment, you can join the Super Trades group. The link will be given in the description. See you again. Bye bye.